To change your Facebook name, navigate to the top right corner where you see your profile icon and click on it. On this interface, scroll down until you locate Settings and Privacy and tap on it. A drop-up menu will appear. Continue to tap on Settings, and with this selected, allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. Then proceed to click on Meta Account Center. This will redirect you to an interface like this. Make sure to tap on Profiles. Then with this selected, continue to select the account that you want to change the name. In this case, I'm going to select this one, which is Mubarick Mohammed, and then again allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. Then you have a list of options here. You have name, username, profile picture, and avatar. In this case, our focus is on name, so we're going to proceed to tap on name. Then you can make change to your first name here by typing in it and then make the necessary change. After that, proceed to tap on the last name and make the changes that you so desire. If you are done with everything, you can then scroll down a bit and then tap on review change. Of course, a caveat to note: if you change your name, you can't change it again for the next 60 days. So make sure any name that you're going to put it here is a name that you'll be ready to use it for the next 60 days. After that, you then proceed to tap on review change, and that's it. You have successfully changed your name on Facebook. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.